My dear the maiden, I have returned. Give me my keys and the egg. Sometimes the devil comes not as a beast, but as a gentleman, seeking not wealth, but innocence. Welcome, rich gentleman. What fine bread do you seek? I seek not bread, but the hand of the maidens, the clever, resilient young woman in marriage.
I do not wish to marry, Father. The Father Manid.
Nonsense, the maiden. Elsa, you will marry the rich gentleman. This house is yours, the maiden fellow. You are now my bride. You may enter every room, but you must carry this white egg everywhere, and you must never enter the room opened by the smallest key. If you break the egg, you are ruined, the maiden ten.
I must find the secret of the smallest key. Ignored by her father. Now...
My dear the maiden, I have returned. Give me my keys and the egg.
Welcome home, the sorcerer the handsome, wealthy man.
You looked upon my secrets. Now you pay the price.
I knew you were a monster, the sorcerer Kate. The handsome, wealthy man.
You will stay silent now, little the bird.
The handsome sorcerer was a prolific killer. His house a graveyard for the naive. You will watch the house for me. Wake up, old woman. I need your help. Help me escape, and this is yours. Stay here and answer the sorcerer Fitcher.
My bride, the maiden Elsa. I have returned.
Good, she waits for me. I must go feed the beasts.
Wife, the maiden, are you well? I will feed the horses. Good. I shall return for the wedding.
Almost there. I cannot stop.
Forgive me, my daughter's sisters. Forgive my greed.
He will not suspect a thing. He is blind with arrogance. She traded her bridal identity for the disguise of a terrifying, avenging witch. When the sorcerer, the handsome, wealthy man arrives, the father, the stout, simple-minded man, you must pretend nothing is wrong. Stay and watch the old woman. Your freedom is near.
Welcome, my rich son-in-law. The wedding feast is ready.
Where is my bride, the maiden, the clever, resilient young woman?
That is my cousin. She must stay in the kitchen to help cook the feast. Very well. Let the feast begin. I must see the maiden before we eat.
Sleep, my beautiful, the maiden. Thank you, my dear. This feast is truly exceptional. To my future and my beautiful bride. This is strong wine, but soon the wedding.
The trap is sprung. Now, for the final piece of the puzzle. The deception is over. Who are you?
Where is my bride, the maiden?
I am the maiden then. And I know your secret.
My daughters, forgive me. You are a monster, the sorcerer made.
Lock them in the forbidden chamber. The stone-lined chamber.
Mercy! I will give you all my gold. Let me out of here, you fools! I will have my revenge!
He is finally locked away.
May the depths hold you, Fitcher.
The house must burn! Everything must burn!
The handsome sorcerer and his secrets were consumed by the purifying flames. A final, grisly retribution.
We will start over, Father. With honesty.
I will never again be blinded by gold, the maiden.
This fortune is a curse, unless it is freely given.
The sorcerer is dead, and his magic is gone. I seek not a husband, but peace and the strength of my own mind.
The forest guards the last secrets of the sorcerer, a permanent testament to his vile deeds.
Never let gold blind you to the truth of a man's heart.
We only sell to those we know and trust. Good day, sir.
She had looked into the abyss and emerged not broken, but fiercely, powerfully whole.
Look what we have here today, folks. The cinnamon rolls are fresh.
Oh, wonderful. We are so happy.
The world is safe because I made it safe.